Let's continue our next topic, that is the relation between Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Dear student, you can see here this is a order of places of according to Indian system of numeration, and this is a sequence of places according to international system of numeration. Now we will compare the position and their names of places one by one. So let's take first place in both system. You can see here the names are same. The first place in both system are called ones. The second place same names, tens. Third place named as 100. Fourth place named as 1000. Fifth place named as 10,000. But on fifth place, names are different. In Indian system of numeration, fifth place is known as sixth place is known as 1 lakh, and here in international system, the sixth place is known as 100,000. After 100,000, the next place in international system known as 1 million. On the other hand, in Indian system of numeration is named as 10 lakh. Then 10 million is named as 1 crore in Indian system of numeration. 100 million is named as 10 crore, and 1 billion is known as 100 crore. So now see this example. In this example you can see here in this number we have put the comma according to Indian system of numeration, and here we put the comma according to international system of numeration. In this number, comma is put, first comma is put after 3 digits and the second comma is put after every 2 digits. And in international system, first comma we put after 3 digits and then next comma again after 3 digits. So dear students, क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि हम इन नंबर्स में कॉमा क्यों लगाते हैं? कभी आपने सोचा है? मैं आपको बताता हूं कि कॉमा हम इसलिए लगाते हैं टू सेपरेट द पीरियड्स, ताकि नंबर्स को रीड करना हमारे लिए इजी हो जाए, ताकि हम इजीली और फास्टली उस नंबर को रीड कर सकें. That's why I put the commas to separate the periods. In international system of numeration, the first period is a group of 3 digits, and next group is also a group of 3 digits. But on the other hand, in Indian system of numeration, first period is a group of 3 digits, and the second period is a group of 2 digits. Now we are able to solve the exercise. Let's solve the exercise 1.1. The first question is, how many digits are there in the number 40,60,234? Is it written in the Indian or the international system of numeration? Dear student, did you understand the meaning of this statement properly? It's very simple question. In this question you have to, first question you ask how many digits are in this number. So this number is, count the number of digits. In this number is formed by digits 4, 3, 2, 0, 6, 0, 4. So let's count the total number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is, this number contains 7 digits. Now, in which system of numeration this number is written? So to answer this question, you will see the commas. In this number, comma is put, first comma is put after 3 digits and second comma is put after 2 digits. So this number is written in the Indian system of numeration. Now let's come to the second question. In second question, how many two-digit numbers are there in R? Students, you know that first two-digit number is 10 and the last and the greatest two-digit number is 99. So we will find the difference between the greatest two-digit number and the smallest two-digit number, that is 99 minus 10, which is equal to 89. Then we will add 1 in it. Why we are adding 1? Because in this subtraction we are not counting 10. So to count 10 we are adding 1. So total number of digits, two-digit numbers from 10 to 99 are 89 plus 1 is equal to 90. I hope that you have understand it very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.